Hi, welcome back to my channel, Cookies, and More Cookies. And I'm Susan, your bacon buddy. And today we are going to make a shamrock crinkle cookie just in time for St. Patrick's Day. Now, these are really super simple cookies, but they're delicious and they're easy to make. We start out by using a cake mix, and we're going to use a white mix today so we can get that really deep Kelly green into the cookie. But what the great thing about this type of cookie is you can make it with any type of cake mix you want. Now, it's not going to be a shamrock cookie. You could use chocolate, red velvet. You could use a lemon cake and make a lemon cookie. You can also use a yellow cake and make yellow cookies. So it is a very versatile. We just happen to be making it for St. Patrick's Day because I just love that color. I can't get over that. So let me show you how quick and easy these cookies are to make. Let's get baking. I'm going to start off with a white cake mix. Two eggs and a third a cup of oil. Taking Kelly green food coloring. Take this, cover it, and put it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, after this has been sitting for a little while in the refrigerator, we're going to now, I'm using tablespoons and I'm making balls. Okay, what we're going to do is take these balls and drop them in the confectionery sugar, roll them around in there, and then roll them around in the powdered sugar. Okay, there we go. So these are going to go into the oven at a 350-degree preheated oven for about 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make these shamrock crinkle cookies. And if you would, like, share, and follow this video and extend your support to me so I can continue to bring you recipes. Now let's not forget to bake, create, and celebrate. So until next time. Now my mouth's gonna be all green.